Hi everyone, I'm Candace Dericks and I'm a blogger with YummyMummyClub.ca. I'm coming to you from the Royalton Riviera, Cancun in Mexico, available exclusively from Sunwing.ca. This resort is part of Sunwing's family collection. I'm vacationing with my family and my daughters are having a blast. That means the world to me when I'm on holidays. One favorite highlight has been the Royalton Kids Clubhouse for my daughter Ava. They treat her like a real VIP.
I am a VIP.
Oh, you know it. With special age-appropriate activities supervised by a team of professionals, my kid stays engaged and entertained throughout our stay. Kids ages 4 to 12 can meet and socialize with other children their age. They have games, crafts, and a great splash pad. I've seen some of the younger guests' eyes really light up when Max and Ruby show up. You can treat your kids to an authentic adventure with Royalton's unique Kids Adventure program. These great activities are designed for a range of ages in an environment that is casual, fun, and safe. Kids will be raving about these memorable experiences, so you know you'll have done something right.
Mom, can we go check out the kids' clubhouse again?
Of course, let's do it.